And today we have one of the few survivors, 2006 Hummer H2. And what I meant by survivors, most of these Hummers, as we all know, they've been just beat to crap, abused. This is a clean title, CARFAX certified, local Oregon fresh trade-in, 2006 H2 with 132 well cared for miles, 132,000 miles. That has been very well cared for. This H2 has been dealer serviced since new with every single record. There was no shortcuts that's been taken. The owner has taken it and got the oil change every 3,000 miles, every 3 months. Even if he's put 1,200 miles or 1,600 miles or 1,400 miles on it, he was religiously servicing it with every 3 months at the dealer. That gives you an idea of how well cared for this H2 is. When I said survivor, it has been very well cared for. There's no signs or records of any accidents, any damages at all. There's no dents or scratches that I saw, at least let's say anything major or stands out. I'm sure I might find a rock chip here and there, and I would let you know if I do see any. It's got a new set of 35-inch BFG KO2s all the way around. This Hummer comes with the luxury package from the factory, chrome appearance package, which gave you the chrome running board rock sliders, chrome factory H2 wheels, the chrome grille, and chrome accents all the way around. It has the factory moonroof, third row seat. It has the BOSE sound system, factory navigation, and factory rear DVDs in the headrest, built in the headrest. Sound system is great with the factory BOSE. The speakers are not blown. They sound very good. I was just enjoying listening to an old school song in it. Paint is in excellent condition. It's very glossy. There's no paint issues. There's no fading or clear coat issues at all. I saw one little scuff on the side of the grill here. That is, and right there is a little scratch. That's about the only flaw that I see in this H2. Comes with all the books, the manuals, DVD for the navigation, the remote for the rear DVD, as well as the rear headrest. The interior has been very well cared for. It does have heated seats, one button roll-up windows, up and down, BOSE sound system. Door panels are in excellent condition. Most of these, as you know, or if you've had an H2 or if you've been shopping for one, all these door panels are broken, and it's very tough to find door panels. And if you do find them, you're spending hundreds of dollars on each one. The interior is super clean. The dash, you drive this thing, it has none of the normal squeaks and rattles inside it. It's very well cared for. The headliner is in excellent condition. As you can see, there's no sagging, there's no rips, there's no tears, there's no issues at all. Only spot that shows a little wear is on the seat right here. And the good news is we actually ordered and we're able to get our hands on a brand new foam set for the seat, as well as a new seat cover. And that is getting here in a couple days and will be installed on this H2 prior to delivery. And that is just to show of how much we pay attention to recon. Nobody else would really change this. I didn't like the little wear right here from getting in and out of it. So we're investing the money in a complete rebuilding this bottom seat part, and it will be like brand new. And we'll get the seat reconditioned as well. Everything works and operates on this Hummer as it should. Everything has been tested, checked out, lubricated. Same thing goes for the rear door panel. It's in excellent condition, as well as the seats and the headliner. Both headrests turn on, the DVDs. It does have the third row seat, and it does have the rear external tire carrier. Oh, let me disconnect that. I love it when they have the exterior tire carrier. Tire is brand new as well. Factory tow hitch. This is not broken. Most of these are broken. I'm doing this so I can show how nice and easy it opens. Let me move this a little bit more. There we go. So that plastic is not broken. The rear hinge, that's a very common issue. Third row seat, that's where your tire jack goes. And let's put this seat up. I'm gonna set the phone down. There we go. Third row seat up. There's another view from the back of how clean this is, how clean the plastics, the carpet. Here's your rear cargo area to show that it hasn't been just abused. Very well cared for. I really like it. Goes to the rear door panel. Solid. There's no broken clips or arm at all. All the seats function as they should. They're automatic. Same goes on that seat, which I took a picture of. Rear heated seats, rear air, vents right there, and rear audio controls. There's your headsets, and there's the DVDs. Now we go for the front. Same goes for the front panel. There's nothing broken. I'm pretty sure if you're shopping for an H2, you've got the idea of the condition of this. Now, all the seat motors work. There's forward, backward. Here's the front motor up. There's down. There's the rear motor. Up. And there's down. And there's the recline. Everything works there. Let's go around. And since I'm walking by here, I'm gonna unlock the hood because we're gonna open the hood next. We'll unlock this side. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Oh, I gotta release the latch from inside. Mark, you wanna help me out? All right, let's see what do we got here. 132, 312 miles, I believe. No warning lights. As you see, all the gauges, all the pressures are perfect. The stereo. Works great. And let's do our normal testing. Here's our one button roll up and down. Just closed all the windows, one button rolled down. As you see, those windows just went down and this went down. I'll put it up, put it down. There's no squeaks or issues at all. All the door lock actuators work great. That's the front passenger. That's the rear passenger. Same goes on here. I'm locking it because the door is open. But as you can see, it's working. And same for the rear driver's side. Again, there it is. Now let's do the sunroof. You can hear it operate. No squeaks, no broken clips, no issues at all. And there's our tilt. There's open, close. There's a one-touch open. So that goes to show for that. All the screen, all the pixels are in excellent condition.
Free delivery. 2 locations, Portland and Hillsborough. Call 833-SPASIA or visit.
As you can see, let's turn the AC on and I will get my air conditioning tester to check the temperature. There's your traction control, tow mode, your OnStar, your outlets. Look how tight this is, not rattly or any of that stuff. As for the mirrors, let's put it on the left, right, up, down. Now we'll go to the passenger side. Let me zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little more. That's the passenger mirror. There's left, right, up, and down. here. Let me put this. Circulate. Mark, can you hand me the temperature gauge, please? Let me zoom back out. We'll walk by the engine and show you how good this sounds. There's no knocking, there's no lifter noise, there's no engine noise. Thank you, sir. We got that from Mark. Here's the inside of the hood installation, show you how clean it is. This is not a Hummer that's been off-roaded or beat on or abused. There's no oil leaks. It's been dealer serviced. They've done tons of services, tons of recent services, fuel injection service, air filter, new wipers, new this, new that. Everything has been completely gone through. And all the records are available as well. So there goes for that. We did that. Let's go check the air conditioning. Now that Mark gave me my, for some reason I keep forgetting to grab it right off the bat. But if we step in here, we got the factory mats all the way around as well. I forgot to mention that. And they are in excellent condition with no worn spots at all. Now, let's turn this on. Temperature inside on the dash is 78. If we go inside the AC, hold this up. You see the temperature dropping. I'm getting cold in here, just FYI. But I do this to show, because most of you purchase my trucks sight unseen, and this is to show how I do everything in my power, all the due diligence, as if you were here and more. Most of you don't show up with a tester. Most of you don't check every switch and every button. So you've got over 95 pictures in detailed photos to look at and take your time and zoom in on. And the detailer forgot his tool right here. So we'll take that out for him. Let me put it here so I don't forget it. Back to the roof, like I said. Let me zoom out a little bit. I think this is as out as I can. There's no dents, there's no hail damage, there's no paint peeling, there's no issues at all. All the lights are on, as you can see. Let's turn the headlights on to show this thing. Let me close it. Let's close this. We'll close the spare tire. Tire carrier locks, and this is for your extra secondary lock in case the latch comes off. The strap holds it. So all the lights are on. Like I said, everything has been inspected, everything's been checked out. Take it to the next level of making sure this thing is dialed 100%. There's no smoke. The undercarriage is clean. I got tons of undercarriage pictures in here on the listing. The engine is running. Let's go ahead and close it. One of the recent maintenances, I just remembered, new shocks as well. So this thing rides like it did when it rolled off the assembly line. I can help you finance this H2 as if it was a model 2022. So I qualify it for new car financing, new car terms and rates. I can finance it up to 84 months if you'd like. Doesn't mean that you should, but it's a great option. We can do it 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years. It allows to keep your payment low. You can always pay extra and pay it off earlier. There's no early payoff penalty, and anything you pay over the minimum payment goes directly to principal. I can help you ship this H2 right from my showroom right here to your front door. We ship our trucks and our vehicles all over the country on a daily basis. We vet our shippers. We work with a list of preferred shippers. We make sure they're insured, bonded, and got great references. Whether you lived in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Delaware, Arizona, Denver, Chicago, California, I can help ship this thing right to your front door. This is the Hummer that you can drive with knowing that you're buying an excellent condition Hummer, not a piece of crap, not a beat up H2 like 99% of the ones that's on the market. It is very hard to find a Hummer, and I keep saying that has not been abused. This is the first H2 that I've decided to keep in our inventory and sell. I usually pass on these things because I will not put my name or reputation on one of these unless it was like this one. So reached out, visit our website, jordanmotorsports.com. Please don't comment on YouTube. We don't monitor YouTube. We don't respond to YouTube. Best and fastest way to get a hold of us is directly calling us. Visit our website, our phone number on there. We don't bite. It's just me and Mark here. We're a small business. This is our showroom. And we are hands-on. We will help you make this a very easy, seamless transaction from A to Z. Looking forward to working with you.